In a few days' time, we will be celebrating New Year's Day, which means it's time to talk about the Tagalog root word saya. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. Because the entire planet will be celebrating New Year's Day in a few days, I figured it's time to talk about the Tagalog root word, which means happy, fun, celebrate, and that root word is the root word saya. Be careful though in pronouncing this word. It is saya and not saya. This is saya. Like all root words, saya, when combined with affixes, create new words, like the adjective masaya, happy. You can use it in these sentences. Masaya ako, I am happy. Masaya ka, you are happy. Masaya ka ba? Are you happy? Oo, masaya ako. Yes, I am happy. Hindi ako masaya. No, I am not happy. If the subject is in the plural form, Tagalog adjectives are converted into their plural form as well by reduplicating the first two letters of the root word, like Masasaya kami. We are happy. Masasaya sila. They are happy. Masasaya ba sila? Are they happy? Oo, masasaya sila. Yes, they are happy. Hindi sila masasaya. No, they are not happy. We have learned in previous videos that you can add both a prefix and a suffix to a root word. Like for example, Masayahin, happy person or jolly person. In a sentence, you can use it like this. Masayahin ka. You are a happy person or you are jolly. Masayahin si June. June is a happy person or June is jolly. Masayahin kami. We are happy people or we are jolly. By now, you must already know the drill in creating a verb. Just combine the root word saya with the infix and the prefix mag. And we have created the following infinitive verbs. Sumaya. Depending on the context, it could mean to become happy or to liven up. This verb is usually used to convey a wish to be happy or in a conditional sense. You'll see what I mean in our examples later. Magsaya. Also, depending on the context, it could mean to celebrate or to have fun. As you can see from the verb table, both sumaya and magsaya are actor-focused verbs. As such, the focus is on the actor or the doer of the action. If you are watching this channel, that means that you have interest in learning foreign languages like Tagalog. In that case, please make sure that you are subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you will be updated of new videos. Alright? So, tara, ituloy na natin. The infinitive verbs sumaya and magsaya double as imperative verbs or the verbs used to command or to request. Let's use them in simple imperative sentences. Here are our patterns. Sumaya ka sana. I hope you become happy. Depending on the context, sana is an adverb that corresponds to the English hopefully or I hope. There is another contextual meaning which I will discuss later. Moving on. Sumaya sana ako. I hope I become happy. Sumaya sana tayo. I hope we become happy. Sumaya sana tayong lahat. I hope we all become happy. Sumaya sana ang lugar. I hope the place livens up. Magsaya ka. celebrate, or have some fun. Magsaya tayo. Let's celebrate or let's have some fun. Magsaya kayo. Celebrate or have fun, plural subject. Magsaya ka na ngayon. Celebrate now or have fun now. Magsaya tayo hanggang umaga. Let's celebrate until morning or let's have some fun until morning. Now, let's conjugate these verbs to express the past action, the present action, and the future action. And we do this by conjugating Tagalog verbs in their aspects and not tenses. Tara, let's begin with the progressive aspect or nagaganap. This is when the action is currently happening. Please take note of the changes in the affixes represented by the yellow letters. The white letters are duplicates of the first syllable of the root word saya, sa. Please take note of its placement too. Here are our examples. Sumasaya ako kapag nakikita ko siya. I become happy when I see him or her. Did you notice the conditional nature of the verb sumasaya? Moving on. Let's take a look again. Sumasaya ang damdamin ko kapag kapiling kita. Literally, my feelings become happy when we are together. Or, I have happy feelings when we are together. Sumasaya ka tuwing kausap mo siya. You become happy whenever you speak with him or her. Sumasaya ang kapaligiran tuwing kapaskuhan. The atmosphere livens up whenever it is Christmas season. Sumasaya ang mga bata kapag narito ang lolo nila. The children become happy when their grandfather is here. You may notice that the English translations are a bit awkward. I'm trying to approximate the Tagalog flavor of the verbs in English. I hope that approach makes sense. Moving on to the next verb. Nagsasaya kami. We are celebrating or we are having fun. Nagsasaya ang mga bata kasi walang pasok. The children are having fun because there's no school. Nagsasaya ang mga tao tuwing bagong taon. People celebrate whenever it is New Year's. Or, people are having fun on New Year's. Nagsasaya sila dahil nanalo sila. They are celebrating because they won. Nagsasaya ang mga estudyante sa dalampasigan. The students are having fun in the beach. If you are liking this video so far, please make sure to click on the like button because that will help the YouTube algorithm recommend this channel to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright? Now, let's move on to the completed aspect or naganap. This is when the action has already been completed. Tara, tingnan natin. Again, please take note of the placements of the affixes represented by the yellow letters. Here goes. Sumaya ako noong nakita ko siya. I became happy when I saw him or her. Sumaya siya noong dumating ang nobyo niya. She became happy when her boyfriend came. Sumaya si June noong hinalikan siya ni Marie. June became happy when Marie kissed him. Sumaya sila noong matanggap nila ang kanilang bonus. They became happy when they received their bonus. Sumaya ang araw ko noong nanalo kami. My day livened up when we won. Nagsaya ako ng mag-isa. I celebrated alone. Nagsaya kami sa parke kahapon. We had fun at the park yesterday. Nagsaya sila kagabi. They had fun last night. Nagsaya ang buong pamilya noong nakapasa si Ed sa bar exam. The whole family celebrated when Ed passed the bar exam. Nagsaya ang buong bansa noong nanalo sila sa FIFA World Cup. The entire country celebrated when they won the FIFA World Cup. Ayos ba? Nasusundan nyo ba? Are you following it? Now, let's check out the contemplative aspect or magaganap. This is when the action has not yet occurred and is about to occur. Please note that the verb sasaya has no affix but includes duplicate of the first syllable of the root word sa. Sasaya ako kung makikita ko siya. I will become happy if I see him or her. Sasaya ka ba kung darating siya? Will you become happy if he or she will come? Sasaya kami kung manlilibre ka. We will become happy if you will treat us. Manlilibre comes from the verb manlibre, which means to treat someone to lunch, dinner, or snacks. Sasaya ang mga bata kung dadalhin mo sila sa mall. The children will become happy if you will bring them to the mall. Sasaya ang bahay kung magkakaroon tayo ng alagang aso. The house will liven up if we will have a pet dog. In the next verb, notice the prefix in yellow letters and the reduplicated letters in white. Magsasaya kami dahil bagong taon na. We will celebrate because it's already New Year's. Or we will have fun because it's already New Year's. Magsasaya lang ako kung mananalo kami sa laro. I will only celebrate if we win the game. Magsasaya ka ba kung mananalo si June sa eleksyon? Will you celebrate if June wins the election? Magsasaya ang mga tao kung may pagbabago. People will celebrate if there's change. Magsasaya tayo dahil sama-sama tayo. We will celebrate because we are together. If you are watching my channel, you'd know that I always discuss the recently complete aspect. That is when the action has just occurred a short time ago. The recently complete aspect of the verbs sumaya and magsaya is kasasaya. I won't discuss this anymore since the verb is seldom used, but I'd give you a few examples. You can say, kasasaya ko lang kanina. I was just happy a while ago. Kasasaya ko lang kanina tapos nagalit ka. I was just happy a while ago, then you got mad. To the Filipino ear, however, these sentences are awkward. That's why we don't use this verb. There's a more natural sounding way of saying the same thoughts, like, masaya sana ako kanina. I should have been happy a while ago. Masaya sana ako kanina tapos nagalit ka. I should have been happy a while ago, then you got mad. In these examples, we use the adjective masaya combined with sana, which is acting like an auxiliary verb, which in this case contextually means should have. To reiterate, to use the recently complete verb kasasaya is a bit awkward, and the alternative is masaya sana. I don't have any explanation as to why this is so. It's just the way it is. Other languages have unexplainable rules, and Tagalog is no exception. So, we have learned that the root word saya can be expanded to the adjective masaya, happy, the adjective masayahin, happy person or jolly person, the verb sumaya, to become happy, to liven up, and the verb magsaya, to celebrate or to have fun. Did you notice that something is missing here? What about to be happy? That's a different verb. And yes, we have a different verb for that. And I will talk about that in the next video. I hope you catch that. And I hope you learned something new today. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. That will help a lot. And in the spirit of the new year, allow me to greet you manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat.